Good morning, students. Today we'll do past tense. We have already done present tense in our previous classes. What is a past tense? Past tense refers to a verb tense that expresses actions which have happened in the past. Which have happened in the past. I mean, the past time. It is a verb form that show that action has already taken place. Simple past tense describes, we will take simple past tense first. So, simple past tense describes us about actions and states that it began and ended at a specific time in the past only. Look at the example. She read the book last Sunday. So action started in the past and completed also in past. You can look at the timeline. Present time is now. The time towards left side is past. The time towards right side is future. So what is now is present, what is before is past, what is after is future. So past tense would always tell you, would always describe you that the action had started at the specific time in the past and even came to an end in past only. Look at the more examples. She played volleyball last Saturday. I went to the market. Sarah lived in Lahore for 5 years. All these are examples of simple past tense. What have you used in this sentence? Let's look at the structure of the sentence. Now, in simple past tense, we use subject. What is a subject here? I. Then we will use verbs second form. You all are aware verb has three forms. How many forms? Three forms. First, second and third. So verbs second form is used only in simple past tense. The second form of the verb is the verb form which is the only verb form used in simple past tense, and then the object. If in place of took it is take, then which tense it will become? Simple present tense. तो सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में वर्ब की सेकेंड फॉर्म होती है और सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म होती है. इफ आई से आई टेक टी, आई टेक वर्ब फॉर्म वन लेकर के मैं बनाती हूँ सेंटेंस. आई टेक टी, ये कौन सा टेंस है? सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. यदि मैं सेकेंड फॉर्म लगाती हूँ आई टुक टी, ये कौन सा टेंस बन जाएगा? यस, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. Look at the more examples. It stopped raining. बारिश होना बंद हो गई थी. They invited their friends. उन्होंने अपने फ्रेंड्स को इनवाइट किया था. She walked to school. वो स्कूल वॉक करके जाती थी. The verb form stopped, invited, walked are the second form of the verb. They are denoting action in the past जिसके एंड में आता है था. राइट. यदि मैं इसको प्रेजेंट में कन्वर्ट करती हूँ तो आई विल से इट स्टॉप्स रेनिंग. बारिश बंद हो गई है. दे इनवाइट देयर फ्रेंड्स. वो अपने फ्रेंड्स को बुलाते हैं. शी वॉक टू स्कूल. शी वॉक्स टू स्कूल. यदि मैं सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में करूँगी तो मैं उसको कैसे बोलूँगी? शी वॉक्स. यदि मैं सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में करूँगी तो मैं कैसे बोलूँगी? शी वॉक्ड. सो दिस इज वेरी मच क्लियर दैट इन सिंपल पास्ट टेंस you use subject, verbs second form and the object. Now look at past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to express a continued or ongoing action in the past, right? The action started, continued for some time in the past and came to an end, comes in past continuous tense. Like he was laughing, वो हंस रहा था. It is past continuous tense. मैं कहती हूँ वह हंस रहा है. He is laughing. It is present continuous tense, right? So past continuous tense is an action which was going on in the past and ended in the past. It is even called past progressive tense. Means एक टाइम पर वो प्रोग्रेस में था और उसी टाइम पे ख़त्म हो गया. Now look at the structure. Subject, was, were, first form of the verb with ing and object. Now with what we use was and with what we use were. Look at this. We use was with I, he, she, any name. किस चीज़ के साथ में was यूज़ होता है? I के साथ में, he के साथ में, she के साथ में, it और किसी नाम के साथ में. वर हम किसके साथ यूज़ करते हैं? Look at the words. You, we, they and any plural. उसके बाद हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? ing form of the verb and object to make sentences in past continuous tense. Look at the example. I was watching TV when she called. Children were playing games. So in simple past tense you use subject plus second form of the verb plus object. In past continuous tense you use subject plus was, were plus ing form of the verb plus object. So with this our video for simple past and past continuous came to an end. I hope you have understood.